Hello, very good morning. Welcome to JS Testing Academy. Welcome to the next part of video in the APM series. This is going to be a second video in the APM end-to-end automation. Okay, in the last video we created the structure of the framework of the BDD Cucumber hybrid framework, right, which is the combination of page object design pattern, test ng for execution, and BDD for right behavioral driven development. So we created this simple framework. We are going to write the code for this. Okay, first let me add the config.property here. Okay, as I told you, we are going to automate this API demos app, right, and see some at least like 5 to 6 test cases. We'll try to write to automate this one, and we'll learn the APM framework. Okay, so this is going to be the plan. The first I'll add the config.property here. Okay, let me go, and first I need to add the platform right version. Okay, platform name equal to, okay, Android. Okay, so I will give Android. Okay, next one is I'll add the platform version equal to 14.0. Okay, so next I will add the device name. Okay, I'll add the device name. Okay, and then we need to add the right first the device version. Okay, device name here. Okay, that needs to be added. Next one is the app we need to add. Okay, next one is app package we need to add. Okay, we need to add the app package. Okay, and then we need to add the right app activity. Okay, activity. Okay, then we need to add the automation name. Okay, and the server URL. Okay, so all these things will add in the config.property. Okay, let me go to the previous code. Okay, and I'll just copy all these, right, so that I'm not doing any mistake, right, it's small mistakes. Okay, let me add this. Okay, okay, let me add the 14.0 version. Okay, added. Okay, then I'll add the right device name. Okay, device name we can find as we saw in the right, we saw in the ADB devices, right, in the last video. Right, if you type ADB devices we can get the device name. Okay, next one is the app, right, the APK I kept in this path, so that path I need to give them the configuration dot property. Okay, so I download it from the net. Okay, and I kept in my right this one, this folder, the APK I kept. Okay, we need to install this in the emulator. We have commands to install it. Yeah, I think you would have seen in the previous videos. Okay, we need to install this APK in the emulator. Okay, now what we do is, right, we need to give the app package. Okay, app package, I'll go. Okay, so we should give the app package, and I'll go to config.property, and I will give here. Okay, then I'll give the app activity API demos. Okay, then I'll give the UI automator. 2. Okay, so I will give this one. Okay, so now the configuration dot property is set here. Okay, now what we need to do is, right, we need to add the library class next. Okay, so this we'll add in the next part of video. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.